Do you agree or disagree with the conviction of a man who burned a Quran outside the Turkish consulate in London, who was found guilty of religiously aggravated public order offence? During the burning, the man shouted, "F Islam. Islam is a religion of tea," and Quran is burning as he held the flaming Islamic text aloft in Rutland Gardens, Knightsbridge on February the 13th. The man said he was protesting against the Turkish government, who he said were trying to establish a Sharia regime. But the district judge found him guilty. Your actions in burning the Quran, he said, where you did were highly provocative, and your actions were accompanied by bad language, in some cases directed towards the religion, and were motivated, at least in part, by hatred of followers of the religion. The man was fined £240 with a statutory surcharge of £96. Now, critics say this type of action, however offensive, should be considered peaceful protest, freedom of expression, and any criminalisation would amount to blasphemy through the back door. However, some support the conviction, arguing, while people have a right to publicly criticise and condemn and protest against a religion or a government they don't agree with, this man's actions went far beyond what society should tolerate. The targeted and highly provocative and taunting public actions of burning a book, its words revered by millions around the world, together with abusive comments, demonstrate an offence motivated by a deep racial and religious hatred, which should be criminalised. So the questions are these. Would you criminalise or allow the burning of the Bible outside St. Paul's Cathedral on Easter Day, accompanied with F Christianity? Or would you criminalise or allow the burning of Millwall Football Club's flag outside Millwall Football's club, shouting F Millwall? Or would you criminalise or allow the burning of St. George's flag outside Buckingham Palace on St. George's Day, shouting F England? Or would you criminalise or allow the burning of a picture of the World War II leader, Prime Minister Winston Churchill, in Parliament Square on VE Day, shouting F the UK? You see, this case raises an important issue. Where should the criminal law draw the line? Where to limit the right of public expression and protest? Or do you think it's a free-for-all, that freedom of expression is completely absolute? Feel free to comment as always. Remember, this is England. Subscribe and follow for more.